Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make collections on TikTok. So first of all open your TikTok app, then choose a video. After that go for in this option here which is added to favorite. So you can see here a manage option. Okay, you can see here a manage option, so you have to click on it and you can see, so this is my before added collections. So if you add a collection of video here, so it's gonna be on it, or otherwise if you want to add it on a new collection, so you have to create a new collection and you can name it. Okay, then you can make this collection public or private. So after that, when you are done, you have to go for save and your collection has been added. So guys, this is how you can make collection on TikTok. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.